This is Darlene of Darlene's Junk Journals and More. And today I have the completed Birds in Blue junk journal that I made for the April challenge for 2022. And I don't know how long my voice is going to keep going today, because I've had a lot of asthma, so I'm just going to get started with this right away and show you what I did. This journal features Julie's Birds in Blue and Bloomfetti by Recollections paper, and it's for the A to Z April Junk Journal Challenge. And so this is the one of the library pockets. I actually completed 6 journals, but there's 2 main ones that have all the elements in them. And this is, I'm hoping this is getting all of this. Okay. This book I had actually started before the challenge. I was doing it just to showcase this paper because I thought it was so beautiful. The Birds in Blue. I love the birds, and this was from a North American birds book. And this is a stack of note, and then there's more notes back behind there. So a lot of these elements I already had in the book that I had done prior to this, just to showcase her beautiful papers. This is some different stickers and tags and little elements. This is a flip out, and this is a acrylic. It says, "Spring adds new life and new beauty to all that is." This is just another little stack of note. And this is a little matchbook that I made for the challenge and added to this one. With the little music notes. Little oval tag. And that's on this little paper clip. And this is Dad's envelope. I haven't got something in all of these because the journal would be way too big. And then this is can't remember which element this is, but this is one of the elements as well. Little pocket that has that's the center of the signature, but you can add little notes there. And that's a tuck spot. And this is also a belly band. And this is the deceptive, this was my D, because it's a deceptive, it actually opens up and the whole thing becomes a space to journal. So it's a deceptive pocket, because it looks just like a normal pocket, but it's not. And it's got a dangle. And then there's this. I just love this kit. I think it's so pretty. And this is a double tuck. I didn't put anything on it either. And this was the one that she showed us in class that has the hidden, it's a double tuck, but it's got hidden journaling in it as well. So, and then this is a guest check that I made with little, this is actually a pocket. So that's kind of hidden too. That goes up there. And there's another dad's envelope. And another birds. And then this was a little booklet. It's got all kinds of little things in it. And this comes across. You could actually put something behind there and that would hold it. And then this is the cue. This was, I made a quilt. This had a number of different papers together and then added a number of elements to it. And this was my, this is my hodgepodge, I hope I'm still in frame, hodgepodge pocket. And so that's there. And then this is the another on a guest check. This was the element with packaging that I did. And then that's the cover. Okay, so that is 44 pages, 44 flips. And as I said, the only other paper was the Bloomfetti, and that's the Birds in Blue digital. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and I will be posting this in the April challenge and on YouTube. Bye now.